Hello guys, Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I have another unboxing and it's very exciting because I have the DJI Osmo Action, which is an action cam, and yeah, let's go unbox it. Okay, so this action camera is actually like direct competition to GoPro, or of course if you think of an action camera you automatically think of GoPro. And yeah, but it's by DJI, which is a brand I really like, even though I don't have any product of them so far. And of course they make a lot of drones and stuff, and I really want to get a drone, but it's very restricted in my area to fly it. So yeah, but yeah, I got this because I don't know if you know it, but I like photography a lot, and something that was limiting me is that I cannot get photos underwater. So with this, it's got a pretty decent camera. Of course it's not DSLR quality, but to get started in underwater photography I think it would be cool, and also it would be fun with friends to take photo and video underwater. So yeah, I decided to buy it. I also got a really good offer. It retails officially for $350, which is €379, but I got it for 220 or €24, which is pretty nice. So yeah, also I of course debated between this one and the GoPro Hero 8, which is the latest one that's available right now. And I went with this one for a number of reasons. Well, one was the brand, because I really like the DJI, but also it had a lot of features that I thought were more convenient. So yeah, let's go unbox it. And it's pretty tight packaging, actually. Okay. Let's take this aside safely. And yeah, it's a lot of plastic. Plastic away. And now it's pretty well packed. Okay, and now it's open. I did break the box here, so yeah. But yeah, here we have it. It's very nice. It actually has dust in it. I don't know why. Silica gel, all important. But yeah, we do get the camera here. See if I'm taking it out. It has a very big back screen, which is one of the features that's different to the GoPro. And yeah, this is replaceable, which is the lens, and you can actually put ND filters on it to take like long exposure photography. You can do time lapse, hyperlapse, of course, record at 4K 60 frames per second, which is very nice. This is the case to attach it to other accessories. Well, we will leave it aside for now. But as you can see, one of the also very good features is that it has the GoPro mount, which means that pretty much any accessory that has been made for a GoPro, which are quite a few so far, will work with this. So that's pretty good. Next, in this box we have accessories, which is actually quite heavy, the box. Let's see if I don't break this one. No, so this one is more conventional. Okay, we have plenty of things here. Let's see. Okay, so here are the instructions, which is a pretty thick booklet, but pretty tiny, and the letter is quite tiny too. Then we have the battery in the battery case, which is pretty nice. Hey, it's so tiny. This is the battery, and you can get more batteries, of course. I will have to test it out and see if I have to get some other one. Then right here in this little bag we have this, which is to connect it to other accessories. Mount goes here. And this, which is a charging cable. And another great thing about this is that it's USB-C. Yes. Even though the other end is USB-A, but well, that's fine for now. Because actually most of the power adapters I have are USB-A, so this is fine. And just USB-C on the camera end. And this is a mount with like a curved thing to put it, I don't know, surfboard or something. We have another mount with a flat surface. And yeah, so this would go somehow. Oh, actually, Okay, so I now managed to see how things work. Only took me like 5 minutes. I'm mechanical engineer, to figure out how this works. So this is the mount, and you have to. There's a button here that you have to press it, and then turn it, and you release it, and then you can put it in this one, for example. So that's convenient. They also have sticky surfaces, so you can just stick them whatever. And then this is the camera. I managed to take it out of the case as well. It was very hard, so I was afraid to break it. I didn't want to. But yeah, we have this pull tab here, pull tab on the lens, pull tab here. Another good thing about this is that it has two screens. So you can either do that like this, or if you're taking a selfie, you can see yourself in the front screen, which is pretty nice. And then we're gonna put the battery inside, like so, and it goes like this, pretty sure. Let's double check. Yep. And pull down, and should be ready. Yeah, so to turn it on, it's here. There's a little light. Oh, hello. Language, English. Yeah, English. Activate DJI Mimo. Yeah, so you need the DJI Mimo app to activate it. And yeah, we're gonna do that. I have downloaded it already. So here's the app. We go DJI Mimo, and oh, it says Osmo found. Click connect. Searching, and the code does match 6678. So we'll accept it. And boom, terms of use. Authorize. Okay then. I do have to create a DJI account. I think I have one already actually. Okay, so I just finished going through the setup. Actually, the DJI account was the last step, and it was quite complicated because the app didn't work correctly. So I had to do the account in the browser, and then I could come back to the app. But yeah, actually the camera ran out of battery just as I finished doing all the setup, so I didn't have much time to use it. But yeah, overall, the 3 seconds I was able to use it were okay. The display is very nice, very bright. You can see with very crisp, very clear. And yeah, so let me know down below in the comments if you do want me to make a full review on this camera, and if you have any questions about it, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to answer, or if I end up doing the review, I can address them in the review. But yeah, also don't forget to subscribe for more Apple related content coming every week, even though yeah, maybe this is not the most related to Apple, but anyway, we all, DJI and Apple, are like very good brands. We love. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.